Do you want to earn $50 to $100 a day online without selling anything and using a completely free to-do method? Then listen up to this video. But first, my name is Jason with J Bros Financial Freedom, and if you want to earn both time and financial freedom through affiliate marketing, online business, then this is the place for you. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because my whole channel is filled with how to earn money online. And today I'm going to share with you a free method of how you can earn 50 to 100, maybe even more than that per day without selling anything. Because affiliate marketing is great, but sometimes the sales just don't come in. And with this method, you don't have to sell anything to anybody and you can still get paid. First thing, people will be like, well, the money has to come from somewhere. So, for example, I'm creating this YouTube video. I'm not paying to do it. You're not paying to do it, but advertisers pay it, so I'll still make money from it. There are ways to make money where I don't have to pay, you don't have to pay, but we can still have a win-win situation where we both earn money without either one of us paying, and that's through advertisers spending money to pay us, right? That's similar to what we're talking about here, but in this situation, it's called CPA marketing, and the method I'm using is what the website called CPAGrip. Now, CPAGrip, there's really two ways to market this, and they're going to have tons of products. So first of all, you're going to have like all kinds of different countries, and you're going to have different devices like PC, Android, iPhone. And if I send a specific offer to you, but let's say you're in Japan and the offer is only for US citizens, then I'm not going to earn anything from that. But if you do have a very specific target of only the US and you're sending them a US offer, or only the UK and you're sending them a UK offer, then this will work. But the other thing is, sometimes people use their phone, sometimes people use their laptop. So you have to be very clear on what device that you're targeting here, because that could affect how much you earn. Now, when you get into CPAGrip, you can sort it by how much each offer makes. Now, a lot of them are in Asian or Middle Eastern languages that I don't understand. So I just stick to English language offers. But if you don't want to worry about devices or countries or languages, there is a way that you can have CPA optimize which offers it sends to the person based on their country and the device they use, and that's through a content locker. So content locker, URL locker, video locker, they actually have three different tools for this. It's all essentially the same thing. You're going to have something, some kind of prize, some kind of giveaway at the end of them unlocking the content. And to unlock the content, they have to install an app, submit their email, something like that. Something that's free and easy for them to do to reach the end goal. So you could have something like an ebook, a free ebook, how to create 10 recipes that are vegan friendly. Whatever ebook you want to write, 10 ways to lose money, the best 10 places to visit for surfing, whatever ebook you want to write. Or it could be a video, it could be an online training videos such as this could be at the end of a content locker. So the concept is you get them to opt into a survey or to download an app on their phone, something like that. They complete the task, they go on to it. And it can be a free video, it can be a free checklist. Think of affiliate marketing, whatever you use as a lead magnet, that's what you're unlocking with your content. So super easy. It could be something you type up in 3 minutes on a Word document on your computer and then just save it. It can be literally anything. Some people have like full-length movies, like whatever popular movie is coming out. Disney comes out with a new movie, Marvel comes out with a new movie, and you can find these movies online and have them unlocked through this content locker. You can have e-courses, you can have ebooks, you can have whatever you want. So think of who your audience is, who's the specific people you want to reach, and then it can be anybody though. It can be from any country, any device. CPA will optimize the offers so that you can earn from all of the offers instead of just picking one specific one. So how much are these offers? Well, they can be anywhere from like 10 cents to about $4 on CPAGrip. And in general, they're about $1 to $2 is the price range most of mine have been. So when you're earning $1 or $2 per email submit to earn $50 a day, you need somewhere between 25 to 50 emails to earn $50 a day. Double that for $100 a day. So how do you get these email signups? Well, it's quite easy because if you've been following my channel, you should know everything about lead magnets and email marketing and how to grow a list. And it's the same thing. You have a lead magnet, you have them submit their email, and you have and you give them the lead magnet. Except for in this case, instead of with an automated email, it's going to be through content unlocking. Same concept, except for you actually get paid to do it this way. So it's pretty cool. And if you're in affiliate marketing, like what my channel is about, like the Home Business Academy, the best way to earn money online is with the Home Business Academy, hands down. And you could have that as affiliate links and stick that in your unlocked content. So they opt in with their email to learn the best way to make money online, and then you have a video training. And do you want to get started now earning $3,000 a month in passive income? Click here to sign up. They do that. You got money from the CPAGrip and you get money from HBA. It's a win-win. And if they don't want to spend money on that and they just want to do it free, you still earn money from CPAGrip. It is amazing. I wish I knew about this sooner. Now, I do just have to say beware, because when I'm trying to learn ways to optimize this, because it's such a cool feature, but when you're trying to learn ways to optimize it, there's so many sketchy people on YouTube. And you just gotta know who to trust and who to follow and who not to. I mean, you can learn all kinds of cool methods, but some of them just straight up aren't going to work. And you can easily tell who the sketchy ones are you shouldn't trust and who you should trust. So if you feel like you should trust me, again, hit that subscribe button, because I'm just here speaking to you the way it is. I'm just honest. I always have been. And if you go back to my old videos, you'll always see I'm up straight and honest with you. But I am honestly telling you, this is an awesome way that I've been using this past week, other than a few technical difficulties, to earn extra money online. And I'm so excited. I just wanted to share it with you. So that's it for this video. And if you want to learn more ways to earn money online, check out this video and it'll help you grow your online business. See you next time.